So you may be having an issue with your iPhone where for some reason it's still not working even after you factory reset this. Now, what does that mean? Well, maybe the iPhone itself isn't working completely. Maybe you're still having storage issues. Maybe you're having lots of glitches. Now, the reason why any of these things may be happening is because of the software version you're on. So before I even get too deep there, if your iPhone had a physical hardware problem, meaning that the Wi-Fi antenna isn't working well or the screen is broken or your battery's default or something like that, if there's a lot of issues on your iPhone in terms of hardware, it really doesn't matter what you do. You can factory reset it a million times. That's probably only going to make it worse. So if you have any hardware issues, then that's one thing. If it's a software issue that you were having, meaning that your phone was glitching up a lot or it wasn't turning on properly and you have to factory reset it and all this other stuff, the first thing I'd recommend doing there is seeing if there's a software update available for your iPhone. So what this looks like is you make your way over to your settings panel just like so. You scroll down into General, which is right here. You then go ahead and click on Software Update, and you just want to see if there's a software update available for your device. Now, a majority of you, I think this is pretty much going to fix it for the most part, but the other thing I'd recommend doing is checking your iPhone storage. So you want to go and click on iPhone storage right there, and you want to see if you just recently reinstalled it, and if you have enough storage or more storage than before, then you should be okay. But if you see that you have more storage taken up than before, or it's not even, it's the same exact thing, you may have not factory resetted your iPhone. You may have instead reset the network settings. So here under Transfer Reset iPhone, if you click Reset, you can see there's a lot of other reset things, reset all settings, reset network systems, all this other stuff. But there's a erase all content and settings. This is the proper way if you want to delete everything from your phone and restart over again. Well, this is pretty much the route you want to go down. So you want to make sure you reset it properly there too. You may also want to make sure there's no kind of faulty applications on your phone as well. So if you have a lot of applications downloaded, you may want to go through and start deleting the ones you don't want or the ones you don't need. Most of the time, there can be some issues there too, and that can probably help in that sense as well. Now, if there's no updates, there's no nothing else, you can try restarting your phone, resetting your phone again. But again, if you have a hardware issue on your device, you may just want to make sure there's no hardware issues lagging on your phone. That way, there's nothing kind of prolonged in your phone that's kind of causing more damage to it. So that kind of covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.